Bam, back one more time. We are 1 week out and counting. That is 7 days out from the final grade being put in. Next week, the 24th of September, I'll put those grades. Those grades will be put in. You'll probably see them on Wednesday or Thursday. I want to congratulate so many of you guys for moving up your grades. I had sent out some emails and some recordings last week, and some incredible. I had one student who was in the 30s go into the 70s. Wow, that's like an incredible amount of improvement. And there were several people who were able to move their grades up, right? Whoa. So I want to thank you. Those of you who really, you promised me you're going to do it, and you did it. And that's what I want to see. Now, I have a couple grades I posted. Again, no names here. Let's check these out for a little bit, okay? I want to go over them with you. If you have grades like this, okay, what you want to do is focus on the lowest one, the unit number 2 Intellipath, and number 3. I wouldn't bother with the one up here. All right, that B, let's leave that alone. Let's get the other guys up, okay? And if you can, try to move forward and do your discussions. You can't go back into the discussions, but you can at least improve these. Focus on this one, number 3 here. This person over here on the right side, the ones he wants to focus, or she wants to focus on, 1 and 2, those are the Fs, all right? And then you want to do the D after that. Okay, this one over here on the middle one on the left side, focus mostly on this guy. This 89.19 is the real low one. Get that one up, then come over to the 101D, and last but not least is this one over here. I could see most of these students are not putting in discussions, or maybe doing a partial discussion. That's just throwing points away. But let's not cry over spilt milk. Let's focus on what we can fix. Okay, moving forward, try to get 40s, try to put 40s. This student did it 1 week, see? 40 and then boom, and down. Okay, so try to focus on that forward, but fix this. Over here on the right side, this person has to fix this F, this 94.4 Intellipath. That is the one. Get on that and get that bad boy up there. Then the C and then the B. But first get to the worst ones of all. Okay, let's check out some students who are doing well. And let's check out what they're doing here. Let's check the student. There's one student here. This student has an A grade on the right side. If you look down here, and you're going to think to yourself, that's crazy. You've got a D, a C. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, but the student is putting in the effort into Intellipath. Look at those Intellipath scores. Whoa, they are enormously wonderful. Smart. If you can't do the discussion, I understand that. All right, work on these ones here. Get these up. This student did almost everything. Wow, wonderful, fantastic on the left side. But if you can't, if you're running out of time, if time's at a premium, get these up. This student worked these up, these Intellipath. Okay, these real low scores, work on those first. I know you can do it. That's why I'm here. Okay, if you need me for anything, you know where to find me. Okay, that's what I do. I want to see, we've got 7 days left. You have 7 days to fix these grades, to get them up, to revise, to practice and revise your Intellipath. I want to see you do it. There's no reason you can't do this. No reason at all. I'm watching you, keeping my eye on you. I want you guys to go for the gold. That's what this is about. And here at AIU, it's a wonderful opportunity you have to go back and fix these. A wonderful chance to do well. Use that chance now while you got it. Okay? I look forward to it. Again, if you need me, I'm there for you. When you do raise your scores, when you get these up, email me and I will go and I will adjust your grade. So again, when you get them up, when it's done, as soon as it's finished, you email me and I will go ahead and adjust those grades, and you will see the result of your hard work. Okay? I look forward to hearing from all of you, and I want to see top grades from everybody. Good luck, everybody.